Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Just hanging around.
Blah 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 blah. Oh wait, what? Whoa. This box. Oh no. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a new subscription box and I'm super excited about it. This is another clothing subscription box. This has been recommended to me by several people and it's my Wantable box. This is the box itself. It comes with cute tissue paper and then there's a sticker that says styled for Kylie. So it's a cute personalized sticker. I haven't looked at anything in there yet. And since this is my first box, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the box, go into a little bit more detail than I normally would. I probably will be comparing this a little bit to Trunk Club just because I've gotten so many Trunk Clubs. Right off the bat, the biggest difference on this than a lot of the styling boxes that I've had in the past is this one does not have an app. It is only a website, which that's not that big of a deal, but I think an app would be more beneficial. So their boxes are actually called edit. So you have several different edits you can select from. There is a style edit, which is the one that I get. There's an active edit, a sleep and cozy edit, which is like lingerie, bras, panties, sleepwear, that kind of stuff. And then they also have themed edits, which right now what they have going on is holiday ones. So they have a home for the holidays style edit. All their boxes also come with 7 items a piece. The home for the holidays one is, it says a dash of cozy, a touch of shine, 1 box, 7 items, 100% you. It looks like a cute box, actually. I feel like I want to get that one. And they have a home for the holidays one, that's sleep and body edit. So that's cozy PJs, sleepwear, luxurious lingerie. That one looks cool too. And then they have an active edit, which is more cozy pieces. Why do I want all of these? Because the pictures on them of the clothing are all so cute. I feel like I want to get one of each, honestly. I'm gonna ask my husband. Then I can do them all in one box and see what the difference is between like the style edit that I normally get and the themed one. Plus it's like Christmas themed, so that's what's really getting me with all of these ones. And then they also have men's active. There's just so many, but I feel like I really want the holiday ones right now. Ugh. Anyways, okay, I'm pretty sure each of your boxes are $20 for the styling fee, and then that goes towards the items you keep. One thing that is neat about this is you can stream through a list of their clothing. You take a quiz beforehand to try to get a sense of your style, and then you can go through, scroll through the items. You can put either decline the item or request it. And if you request it, it goes into another category where you will hopefully get some of those items from your stylist if they are available. It's just a great way to really be able to pick and choose what you want. There's a little button that you can turn off your quiz matches because I feel like I took the quiz as thorough as I possibly could, but I still feel like the things that are popping up for me are not actually my style. So I am a little bit concerned about that. So I turned off the quiz matches and then I was able to find a few more items that I actually liked. I only have 3 things in my wish list right now, which is 2 pairs of jeans and a jacket. So who knows if I got them or not. One of the biggest differences between like this one and Trunk Club is you do not get to see any of the items that you get beforehand at all. You can request to get the item, but it doesn't mean that you're going to get them. So you don't have any clue of what you're getting. So it's a big surprise. I kind of like that. I don't know. We'll see. If I'm missing out on any information, I will link it in the description box below. I will also put a link to the website itself. So if you are interested in trying Wantable, it will be there. I don't know how you send this one back either. Like Trunk Club, I just have the post office pick it up from my house. This one comes with the shipping label, blah, blah, blah. Take it to a UPS store or schedule a pickup. Yay! That's nice. Okay, then we have a list of all of our items in here. One thing about Wantable as well is they do give you a discount. If you buy 5 or more items, they give you a 20% discount. So I think that's pretty cool. What was my note? I wanted fall pieces, jeans, a cozy zip up top, blah, blah, blah. I put in some more details, but whatever. So then your stylist gives you a note. This is another big thing. There's no way to talk to your stylist other than leaving them notes, but it's not like a back and forth thing like Trunk Club. Anyways, blah, 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 blah. My stylist's name is Sierra. They don't have any of the exact requests that I made on the stream. So those items that I put in and said that I wanted them, they didn't have any, but she snagged similar styles to make up for it. So that's nice. And you also have 5 days to return this, but you can go in and request longer time if you need more time. Anyway, Anyways, this has all the prices on it. We'll get into that in a second. I just want to see what else is in here. This is some information on their Cozy Tober edits. This one says use the stream, refer a friend, get other edits, blah, blah, blah. Tells you how to return. Here's the return. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so you can either tape the box back up and they give you a sticker for that, or you can send it in this mailing envelope, which already has a sticker on it. So that's kind of neat that you have options. I'll look into that a little bit more later. Now we can get into what's in the box. Okay, right on top, we have a pair of earrings. These are Slim Circle Studs Silver Crystal by Chloe and Lewis. These are $45. They're just circle-shaped diamond earring type things. I think they are super cute. Don't know that I want to pay $45 though for a set of earrings. Those are nice though. I really think they're cute. Actually, I like them. I like them a lot. All right, let's get into the clothing. First item, this is AC/DC graphic tee in steel gray. This is $49. I love a good graphic tee. This is very cute, very comfy, very soft. I like it. I just don't know if I like it for $50. And then I'm gonna pair this with another item in the box. This is the Malibu High Rise Flare in Preston 4. These are $68. Oh, and the brand is CNC California. The wash is pretty cute so far. I don't like the distressing at the bottom. I'm just not a huge fan of that look unless they're like skinny jeans. Got some distressing on this side. So far, they're fine. Distressing on the butt pockets. That's cute. Don't know how I'm going to feel about these. I'm gonna give them a try though. I'm gonna pair them with this t-shirt and we'll be right back. Okay, let's start with the jeans. These are super comfortable. I can't tell if they're a little bit big. They fit super comfortable. They also feel loose at the same time, so it's really confusing for me. I do not like the bottoms at all, the distressing on the bottoms. I don't like the flare at the end. If I'm gonna wear flare jeans, I want like actual bell bottoms, not these. I don't like these. They're too skinny, not flared enough. I don't know, I'm just not a big fan. I don't like the wash. I normally love high-rise jeans. These ones just are not flattering though. I don't know what it is about them. They just aren't flattering. Not a fan of these at all. The shirt though, I do love. This would look cute tucked in, balled up. It's so comfortable, so soft. I have a pair of black Spanx leggings that this would look so cute with. I do really like this. I just don't know if I actually want to pay that much for just a t-shirt, but also I would probably wear it a lot. So jeans are a big no-no. Moving on, the next item is another pair of jeans. These are the Jagger Destructed Super Skinny Medium Wash 27 jeans by Vigos. These are $74. So I do have some Vigos jeans and I know I like them. Do I have these same ones? I feel like I have these same exact jeans. I'm not even kidding you. And I got them from Stitch Fix. That's funny. So the wash is fine. It's nice. This is the same exact pair. I'm not even kidding you. Huh. Little distressing in several spots on the knee here, up here. I already know they're gonna be cute. I'm not gonna get another pair though. They're nice, they're cute. There's not much to say about them. We'll try these on with the V-Back Color Block Sweater in Black Mix. This is $68. This is it. Okay, there's like a knot in the front. It's a V-neck. Oh, this is the back. Oh, this is the back. That makes it way better. Okay. I like pretty back things. So this is the back. There's a knot in the middle and it's like V'd on the bottom and on the top. So I think that's kind of cool. And then the front is just the plain gray, right? Yep. And then your sleeves, you have the color blocking with the different tones of gray as well. So now I like it a little bit more. I still don't know if I'm gonna love it. We'll try this on with those skinny jeans. I'll be right back. Okay, let's talk about the top first. From the front, I don't like this at all. It is not flattering in any way. Nothing about it looks good in my opinion, but the back, that's what does it for me. This is so cute. I wish they could have just done something else with the front. I don't know what, but it is just not flattering on me at all. I love this box so much though. It's so pretty. And then it's just like, blah. Pretty, blah. It's not great. It's not great for me. So let's move on to the jeans. I already know these. I have these. It's so funny. These are super cozy. I have not worn the ones that I have in quite a long time. But what I like about these jeans is they are super stretchy, like comfortable, and I don't know, you can move in them. They're not too clingy and stiff. They're just comfortable. The wash itself is decent. It's fine. They look cute. They hit at a good place on the waist. I really like them. I'm just not gonna get a second pair. Like, I don't like them that much. So far, let's move on. The next item is by 78 and Sunny. It's the Monterey one shoulder top in blush. This is $59. So far it is so soft. I love the blush color. It's just a simple sweater. What does it say? It's a one shoulder, so it just slouches on one side. I'm not a big fan of those types of sweaters. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I just love how soft this is. So let's go try this on. Okay, this is a no for me. Again, it's just, I don't know if it says one shoulder, but I put it on two and it looks fine. And then I go like this and I don't like it. It's uncomfortable. I feel like if I was wearing this with like my black Spanx pants, then it would look a lot better. I did a very poor job at tucking it in, but it's tucked in. It's just still, I don't like the shoulder stuff. I don't like the all one shoulder blah blah blah. It is super comfortable though. I will say that it's super comfortable. The color is beautiful. It's very nice. It's not my thing. All these items just, it's way off. And this box, not even just the pants that I got in Stitch Fix, but this whole vibe is giving me Stitch Fix vibes. I have one item left. I asked for a fuzzy jacket, a fuzzy zip up. This is the Dicey Full Zip Sherpa Jacket in Beige Aztec by Thread and Supply. This is $84. Now I do really like this, the material and stuff. I'm just not into the Aztec pattern type things. Whoa. It's so wide too. That's funny. It's so soft though, and it's the material, like certain materials when you touch them, it just makes me like that fake sheepy material. I don't know what it is, but I just felt something like it at TJ Maxx the other day, and it made it looks like nails on a chalkboard. I don't like it, but this is soft and it's nice, so I like that. I just don't like the pattern that's on it. Let me put back on that AC/DC shirt and I'll try that on. Okay, I just read this is a size 2-4 also, and I don't know why this one is sized up so much. All of my other stuff is a size 0 to 2, and this is a 2-4, so it is a little bit big. I do like oversized jackets and stuff though, but this one's just not that. I don't like it that much. There are a couple neat things on it though. There is little holes for your thumbs, so I really like that. There are buttons here for the, around the waist, and there's two different options. So if you want it looser or tighter, you can pick that out. It's got some stripage throughout. That one's in a random spot. That one goes, oh, it goes all the way down there. Pockets are nice. That's cool. So this is it. It is super cozy. I actually like the oversizedness about it. I think that's flattering and very cute. Let me zip it up. Yeah, it's fine zipped up too. I feel like I would like it more if it didn't have this pattern on it. This color even is fine. I'm not a fan of the stripes down the sides. The gray, I don't like what's going on with it. I do think the thumbs are kind of neat, but at the same time, it's kind of uncomfortable because this part here is just so thick that your thumb, it sits right on the button, and it's just not very comfortable with it. So I don't know if I'd actually ever use that function of it. The inside is like a nice jersey knit material almost. So it's pretty warm, but it's not too hot. I don't know what to say about this. I just don't, the pattern is throwing me off. I don't like it. This box, oh no. Okay, let's do a rundown of this box. So the total merchandise of everything in the box for all 7 items is $447. If you keep 5 of them, you get an $89.40 discount. So that would make it $357.60 minus your $20 styling fee. Oh, your styling credit is $21.65. Okay, cool. I just feel like this box flopped for the first box, and I think there's a lot that I can do to help out with the next box. I feel like because none of the items that I selected that I wanted, they couldn't get any of them. This is my first box. They don't have a big sense of my style. So I feel like as I continue to get more boxes and tell them what I don't like and what I like and whatnot, then it'll be a lot more helpful. If I request more items to be in my box, I think that will be helpful as well. Decline more items so then I don't get items that I don't like. I think I'm gonna start doing that more just because I feel like it'll help. There was only 2 items in here that I liked, and it's the earrings and the t-shirt. Earrings are $45, t-shirt is $49. Honestly, I love these earrings, but I am gonna get the most wear out of the t-shirt, so I'll probably keep that. I am thankful that there was at least 1 item in the box that I liked though, because I don't like my styling fee to go to waste, you know? But I am really happy. I do really enjoy this shirt, so that's good. It's okay. Hopefully the boxes will only get better from here. This jacket is so comfy. I love to wear it. I just don't like the style. It makes me so sad. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts down below. If you have any questions, let me know, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.